Welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Sue Good Feel Sue Calm Toner Pad. I've been eager to try the Sue Good Feel Sue Calm Toner Pads ever. After finally using them, I can say they largely met my high expectations. These pads are impressive with their 83% cabbage leaf water, which offers soothing, antioxidant, and revitalizing properties. They also feature Centella Asiatica extract, known for its soothing and moisturizing benefits, as well as green tea leaf extract, aloe leaf extract, cucumber fruit extract, and chamomile flower extract. This powerful combination makes the pads especially good for sensitive and irritated skin. Plus, they are free from fragrance, alcohol, and essential oils, which is a significant plus for those with delicate skin. These pads have two sides. One side of the pad is textured for gentle exfoliation, ideal for the T-zone, while the other side is softer, suitable for the rest of the face. Despite their thickness and the fact that they don't adhere well to my cheeks, this minor inconvenience is outweighed by the fact that the pads are soaked in a generous amount of essence, ensuring they stay moist and effective for a longer period. I don't use these pads as a traditional toner or exfoliant. Instead, I prefer to apply them on my cheeks for 10 to 15 minutes. This method leaves my skin feeling soothed and refreshed. The combination of antioxidants and soothing ingredients works wonders in calming my skin and reducing irritation. Overall, the Sue Good Feel Sue Calm Toner Pads are worth the praise. While I enjoyed using them and appreciated the ample essence, the thickness and adherence issue might be a slight drawback.